Prathamesh, the visual you have put in my mind and everyone in here clearly. इसकी उसकी सूंड आई है और वो
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Maa Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई चारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Wait, so you've come from Pune for the show?
Yeah.
Whoa!
क्या
Nice.
बात है क्या बात है
Awesome. Thank you. Ha.
Okay, so my story is about how an elephant conspired to chase me and almost trample me under his feet.
One second, I love the word conspired. सिर्फ ऐसे करके मैप वैप डाला ऐसा एलिफेंट है एक साथ उन्होंने प्लान निकाला है ये देख यहाँ पर थे प्रथमेश उसकी गांड मार देंगे अपन
Yeah, so basically this happened in 2006. Okay, I was 6 years old. So we went to Kanha National Park in MP. Okay, so the system with elephant safari at that time was ki they had several trained elephants. And they used to leave early with their guards at about 4:30 in the morning to find new routes to monitor the jungle basically. But the main intention behind this was to spot a tiger.
So elephants can spot tigers.
Yeah. So once an elephant spots a tiger, he is trained to make him stop over there. कि
Oh,
तो
he
इधर-
stops in front of the tiger.
No, no. He
To
is
stop the
He's
tiger.
stopping the tiger. जाना मत किधर? अरे पब्लिक ने पैसे भरे किधर जा रहे रुक?
वो चिल्ला के बुला रहा है बाकी एलिफेंट वो लोग लेके आ रहे हैं पब्लिक को
This is exactly what happens.
What?
Yeah.
वो दूसरे को चिल्ला के बुला रहा है
No, no, no. The
They-
guard tells on the walkie-talkie, but the elephant makes him stop. कि मत जा इधर ही बैठा दे.
They are conspiring to make you see a tiger.
Yeah, okay. But that's how we got to saw a tiger and stuff. But then ऐसा fulfillment वाला feeling नहीं था.
क्यों?
क्योंकि we didn't spot
और
him
क्या चाहिए तेरे
naturally,
को?
right?
उसको पप्पी देने का था टाइगर को इधर.
Like it was handed over to us, like consolation prize वाला feeling था.
Okay, so you didn't like that experience. हाँ.
No, like you're like never mind, ठीक है होता है. So
You were telling the tiger this.
नहीं, we were talking amongst
Look,
ourselves.
can you imagine? Sorry, just from the tiger's POV. ठीक है वो बेचारा उधर डरा हुआ है and then he looks up and he sees disappointed Prathamesh.
अबे मजा है कुछ करना. कुछ खाना किसी को. वो तो जा रहा है डियर खाना डियर को तू खा.
So all of this happened, all the safaris and all were done, and it was our last day over there. Okay, so हम शाम में बैठे ऐसे ही कि क्या करे. So we were speaking to the receptionist of the hotel कि आसपास है क्या कुछ walk वगैरह का.
कुछ थिएटर वेटर है क्या पिक्चर देख के आने आया है.
One second. What was your hope?
Like we wanted to take a walk around कि क्या है और देखने
सफारी
को.
में वॉक करने
नहीं around the hotel. तो फिर he was like there's this place where we keep all these elephants. आप लोग जाके देख सकते हो उधर, you can spend some time over there. So my dad was like I have to make a few calls, तुम लोग जाओ आगे, मैं आता हूँ पीछे से. And me and my mom we went to the elephants and there was this like the place was huge, you know, like there was this accommodation for the caretakers and in front of that there was a huge like linear long front yard where all the elephants were kept. They were chained, all of them were chained. But there was this one elephant who was not completely an adult. He was slightly smaller in size than the other ones. उसको खुला छोड़ा था. ठीक है. और मेरे हाथ में कैरी बैग था जिसमें स्नैक्स थे फॉर नेक्स्ट डेज ट्रैवल. ठीक है. And suddenly I hear banging of footsteps. धड़ 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 धड़. And with every step it's getting louder and faster. I have no idea. I turn around and I see that one elephant. He's charging at me with all his strength.
It's like Jawar Puff इधर दे.
So then I froze over there. Okay, I was like क्या अभी क्या करूँ इसमें?
आजा मार ही दे भाई अभी क्या करूँ.
So I hear my mom's voice from behind. क्या रे देख क्या रहा है भागना मुड़ पीछे भाग. So then I turn around, I start running. Okay, and I don't know where to go because all that place had was elephants. Okay, कहाँ जाऊँ?
तो उसका इधर जाऊंगा तो उधर एलिफेंट मार देगा
कौन से साइड पे मैं कुचला नहीं जाऊंगा.
Where was your mom?
Yeah.
हाँ.
She went over to the corner of the premises जहाँ पे एक covered जगह था ऐसा. Okay, so I started running towards her.
And she's directly in front of you.
Yeah. And then she's like कि अरे वो कैरी बैग फेंक दे वो. So
ये मेरा चॉकलेट
Maybe it's after the snacks, who knows? I flung the carry bag aside. Guess what? The
Went to the tiger.
No.
अरे भाई देंगे यार मजा.
The elephant didn't give a damn about it. He was like, मेरे को तू ही चाहिए अभी.
ये तो प्रॉपर कंस्पायर है.
मेरे को तू ही चाहिए.
तेरे को वाइल्ड एनिमल देखना था एंड द यूनिवर्स कंस्पायर्ड. किसी चीज को सच्चे दिल से चाहो.
पूरा काना नेशनल पार्क जुड़ जाता है उससे.
No, now I was like, I'm truly fucked now. ये
Oh,
मैं तो
now.
गया आज. So this visual I still remember till date. Like I'm running towards my mom. I'm in tears. Okay. Yeah, tears. Like, am I going to die like this? हाथी के पाँव से ऐसा.
Hey, 1 second. Bro, can I tell you, a 6-year-old having such existential thoughts.
और वो भागा भी ना ऐसा भागा.
क्या
ऐसा.
यही जिंदगी थी? मम्मी.
She's shouting कि don't look behind. Please don't look behind. Look at me and keep running. Because he had come really close to me at this point.
shit.
I could feel him breathe and all.
Prathamesh, the visual you have put in my mind and everyone in here clearly. इसकी उसकी सूंड आई है.
और वो
I could hear him breathe.
Then we were like, okay, अभी शायद मैं कुचला जाऊंगा. But
शायद. I like the hope is still there.
yeah. But suddenly, from the sky a stick came flying and a bamboo stick came flying and hit right on his head. हाथी के सर पे लगा जोर से.
And your dad has come. मुझे reception नहीं मिला. माँ चुदाई वो the Vodafone.
I wish he wasn't there by that time.
Oh, it wasn't your dad.
No. Like,
Who threw the stick?
so
Tiger.
ये उल्टा मोगली. यहाँ पे शेर खान इसका बाप बन रहा है adopted.
Tiger is taking बदला कि तू रोज मेरा सुबह खराब करता है. छूटिए.
रोज मुझे स्पॉट कराता है ये लोग.
no, there were 3 men outside the compound, 3 random men. Okay, so
So they were just throwing bamboo sticks into the compound for no reason.
3
they-
random guys.
yeah. So they saw my mom is asking for help to the caretakers कि अरे कुछ करो. They were chilling like मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा.
Who the caretakers were chilling?
Yeah, they were chilling. They were ignoring कि कुछ नहीं होने.
पहले देख लेंगे लॉसूट जब होगा यार.
So these guys saw and they jumped the compound wall and they charged towards the elephant with sticks. Okay. Their body language was such कि they scared him away. इतना डरा दिया उसको वो he so much so that he went over to the corner. He started peeing over there. Okay. Yeah, he started peeing.
Shit.
How they were big men were big. No.
Yeah,
they were big men.
Yeah.
अबे कितना भी बिग हो एलिफेंट जितना बड़ा तो नहीं होगा ना. कौन कितना आदमी है जो एलिफेंट को डरा रहा है.
तो कॉन्फिडेंस प्रोजेक्ट करना वैसा.
Fuck and this.
अच्छा तेरे को लगता है शेर कॉन्फिडेंस से डर जाता है.
बेबी एलिफेंट था ना.
हाँ.
Yeah, so after all these years, when I think about it, I'm like, 100 men versus a gorilla my foot. I've seen 3 men versus an elephant and I've seen them win.
Wow, bro.
Yeah.
और ये सब में बेचारा बाप कहाँ था?
Then after that, my dad arrived and he was like, okay, what did I miss?
But you didn't shout at the caretaker. Your mother didn't shout.
No. She went over to him and she started shouting कि समझ नहीं आता तुमको बच्चा भाग रहा है ये वो देख नहीं सकते तुम लोग ऐसा कैसे खुला छोड़ा है. And then he was like, देखा ना पर वो
देख नहीं सकते नहीं देख सकता.
So apparently he said कि this was his fun time. Okay. He
Just
ये अपने
trampling babies.
Yeah.
he regularly does this. He sees like kids or people sitting on bikes and shit, and he goes over to them, he pushes them, kicks them, flicks them over. ऐसा उसका आदत है ऐसा.
Cute है.
But it's so cute. Bro.
Yeah.
The caretaker.
Good boy, stop. क्या बोला? अरे नहीं भाई.
So then my mom was like, she was so angry. She was like looking for things to throw at this guy. My dad was like, छोड़ो जाने दो अभी. He's not getting.
छोड़ो जाने दो.
एक तो बाप पूरे सीन के लिए था नहीं. क्या हुआ भाई, सब ठीक है? छोड़ो अभी. He's not seen the visual of his son almost getting trampled.
छोड़ो छोड़ो जाने दो, मुझे फोन आ रहा है एक मिनट.
Then at that time we were like अभी fulfillment वाला feeling आया. Now we have a story. Now we have a story to tell.
Do you feel like going back and maybe seeing to see अगर वापस तेरे पास आया चल के कि नहीं? चल के नहीं, भाग के.
Bro, अब भी जाएगा वो उधर काना में and suddenly one elephant out of 20 मुद दे रहा है just straight.
This happened during my college days. So let me give you a brief about the place I was staying in. So most of you would have seen Ahad or some horror show.
One second.
Best description of a place I ever heard. You seen Ahad? Same.
So it's a white bungalow with huge steel gates, 2 white lamps, and a dog barking whole night.
Dog barking whole night and you've never seen that dog.
No, we have seen that dog. We know that dog. And we are like 6-7 friends. We have rented the ground floor of the bungalow to stay. So one evening, 2 of us were at home. And so it's like a 4 or a 5 BHK ground floor, 2 washrooms attached and everything. So I was in one of the room and my other roommate, one friend, was on the other room. So I was shouting, Vishal, chal, like nikal वगैरह, headphone है उसको ध्यान नहीं है. I like कि चल ठीक है, washroom जाता हूँ and then I will get him. And as soon as I open the door of the washroom, on the flush tank, there's a snake.
Snake
Yes.
on the flush tank.
On the flush tank, and he's like staring.
I'm sorry, just to pause for
कि
1
भाई नॉक
second.
करके आना चाहिए ना अंदर.
वहाँ पे
क्या
snake
हमारा
अंदर
snake
है.
की
snake
इज्जत नहीं होती
ऐसे-
क्या?
अरे क्या कर रहा है, और अपना स्किन पहन रहा है जल्दी से. ऐसे कैसे आते हो तुम लोग?
स्नेक अपना स्किन पहन रहा है.
तो उतार रहा था अपना स्किन धीरे धीरे.
तो स्नेक बैठा है फ्लश टैंक पे.
Flush tank में
Yes.
snake है, हाँ.
So I was
And
like,
he's looking at you, you're looking at it.
yeah.
What
We are-
sort of snake is it? Big snake, small snake?
He was a medium length.
The size doesn't matter. It's a snake.
It's what you do with the snake.
It's what the snake does to you, honestly.
So medium.
Sorry, a medium length.
Snake was a medium.
Snake was a medium.
बहुत है.
स्नेक भी मीडियम है. स्नेक पूछ रहा है, you want to know what your new mate will look like? अरे वाह बता. So you saw the snake.
Yeah. So I was like कि भाई तू कर ले, मैं दूसरी साइड जाता हूँ.
भाई तू आराम से यार, टेंशन नहीं लगेगा, तू कर.
So you have seen snake and then what is your first reaction? कि तू कर.
I was like कि ठीक है, I'm going to the
You're
other
going.
loop.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Why this nonchalantness?
So I had fewer encounters before with the snake, so I'm not like afraid of seeing him.
अच्छा, he was your roommate at this point.
So you went to the other loop.
So while going to the other loop, I was like, I knocked on Vishal, like भाई बाहर आ, थोड़ा ध्यान रख.
अच्छा, you still didn't tell him सांप है.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को भी जाना है, तो like तू जा उधर, मेरे को जाने दे like. तो मैं जाके आया, ये भाई अभी भी अपना हेडफोन लगा गाने सुन रहा है.
वो डीजे स्नेक सुन रहा हूँ.
तो मैं जाके उसको गाली दिया, मतलब चल इधर सांप था. एंड वी आर लाइक कि शिट यार, मैंने जल्दी में दरवाजा बंद करना भूल गया. फिर दोनों की फटी कि यार ये गया किधर.
अच्छा,
And he's
अभी-
gone.
He's
gone to
gone.
the toilet.
Oh, that's scarier. Bro.
See, that is the problem with this. As the old saying goes, the problem is not when you see a snake; it's when you can't see the snake.
Yeah.
सो मैंने कि ये अभी पूरे घर में किधर भी हो सकता है.
और तेरे बाकी लूप में कुछ और था कि नहीं? स्कॉर्पियन एक जगह पे दूसरे.
पहले था.
तू कहाँ रह रहा है? वंतारा में.
सो हम लोग ने एक 5-10 मिनट तक स्वाइप किया पूरे घर में, लाइक कुछ मिल नहीं रहा. एंड बाकी रूममेट भी लाइक कहीं बाहर लंच डिनर के लिए गए हुए थे, लेकिन उनको बता देंगे आने के बाद कि यार संभल के सो जाना.
This is the most bachelor story I've ever heard in my life. So you have now a snake is missing.
The snake is missing. We two are only at the home.
हाँ.
लाइक कि बाकी लोग को बाद में बता देंगे, चल
बता
अभी
देंगे.
खाने जाता है.
हाँ.
लेट हो गया, खाना नहीं मिलेगा.
इसका one
तेरा-
step at a time. सुसु नहीं है विशाल. विशाल स्नेक नहीं है, खाना खाते हैं,
खाना खाते हैं.
फिर एक बस लेते हैं और फिर उसके बाद सीधा दार्जिलिंग जाते हैं.
सो मतलब वो था कि मेस एक आध घंटे में बंद हो जाएगा, खाना मिलेगा नहीं अपने को. एंड देन इट वाज अ विलेज, लाइक कणकौली इज अ विलेज एट दैट टाइम, सो कुछ मिलेगा भी नहीं अगर लेट हो गए तो. लेकिन चल खाना खाने चलते हैं. एंड देन वी लाइक कि क्या करेंगे.
I feel like you need to make an app called Find My Snake. You need to develop this ASAP. हाँ फिर?
सो हम लोग फिर बाहर निकलने गए.
Didn't see that.
सो हम लोग फिर बाहर निकले एंड उसका बाइक वगैरह रखा था तो उधर जा रहे थे. एंड देन वो वॉशरूम के विंडो से बाहर आ गया था. नहीं, वो आउटसाइड ऑन द विंडो. लेकिन अभी कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इसका, छोड़ तो नहीं सकते इसको.
पर भूख लगी थी तो हम लोग बोला fuck it.
सांप खा रहे हैं.
नहीं तो मतलब प्रीवियसली भी एक दो बार कोई तो ऐसे आके गया था सांप वाप, तो वी हैड
काफी ओपन डोर पॉलिसी है तुम्हारे पीछे. क्या कोई तो आया था साहब.
You know, like you know a person has seen a lot of snakes when he does saap wap. When the wap comes in, now that's when.
इनके लैंडलॉर्ड को भरी नहीं है, लड़की आएगी ब्रावा होगा, नहीं कोबरा होगा तो.
नहीं, उनको भी पता था. तो वी हैड बाम्बूज लाइंग अराउंड कि लाइक भगाने के लिए उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे नच कर करके. एंड देन वी लाइक जस्ट पुश हिम डाउन एंड लाइक पुट हिम आउटसाइड द गेट.
And that's what you did.
या
Fuck.
So कोई मरा नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ ना.
नहीं मतलब थोड़ा मारना पड़ा उसको भगाने के लिए, बट देन
अरे
ही
साहब नहीं रहे, तेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं मरा ना. इसको दोस्त की पड़ी नहीं है भाई.
सांप को कुछ नहीं हुआ.
सांप ठीक है भाई. विशाल मार चुका है विशाल. सांप इज ओके.
नहीं किसी को कुछ नहीं हुआ. नहीं सबको रात को फिर आने के बाद बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था. लेकिन ठीक है.
Did you guys take any precaution going forward?
नहीं.
अरे सांप वाप काटेगा वाटेगा तो जहर वहर लग जाएगा तो क्या है, कुछ एंटी वेनम विनम ले लेंगे. टेंशन वेंशन लेने का नहीं भाई. क्यों साजिद वाजिद कैसे है सब ठीक है?
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.